is an artist who combines hip-hop and R&B. She moved here recently, in January from Buffalo, New York. Give it up! Show your love for Sicilian Kiss!
Ladies and gentlemen,
alright, how you guys doing tonight? Alright, I'm hyped. Alright, I want everybody having a good time. Just want to say thank you, everybody. Thank you, Patron. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, Amanda, for picking up this album for me. And thanks for all my fans. You know, keep following your dreams. And this track's called Everlasting. You can find me on youtube.com/The Sicilian Kiss. Follow me, I'll follow you. You know it. Alright, check it. Yeah, come on, get your hands up. What? Come on, get your hands up. Yeah. Your love is everlasting. Everlasting, your love is everlasting. Everlasting, your love is everlasting. Oh, it's the way you love me. It's the way that I feel now. Hey, and every time I see you, I just never wanna leave ya. Come on, hey, come on, come on. Oh, it's the way you love me. It's the way that I feel now. Hey, and every time I see you, I just never wanna leave ya. Come on, come on. Hey, it was freshman year. I saw you through my compact mirror. You had your hat back with your 5-star gear. Class clown, broken down, used to crack me up. Pass me notes, saying all kinds of stuff. You wrote your name on my notebook. Boy, you had that good look. Had a little crush, but kept it on the hush. I put your back, you were my right. We used to be so tight. We back and forth, right about the things we like. It was me and you, friends forever. But I was hoping one day we would be together. Our connection was connected, playing Connect 4. Couldn't wait to see you at the corner, sorry for 4. I was there on time, I was quick, you were right. But at the end of the day, we had each other's back. Look forward to that, to see you in my path. I rewind the times just to make you laugh. Oh, it's the way you love me. It's the way that I feel now. Come on, come on. Hey, get your hands up. And every time I see you, I just never wanna be there. Hey, oh, it's the way you love me. It's the way that I feel now. Hey, and every time I see you, I just never wanna leave ya. Come on, come on. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Everlasting, your love is everlasting. 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 Praying everlasting, your love is everlasting. I found my addiction, you're my prediction. Your love is my melody, check out my melody. 1, 2, 3, mix a little you and me. M-O-V-E, take time, you will see. I was through a heart race, live my life of misery. I had no regret, just led you to me. I was once that girl that never believed. Wore my heart on my sleeve, cried myself to sleep. Lay down, concentrate, now I look over and see where I wanted to be. You became my destiny, both physically and mentally. I got that you were sent to me. Everlasting, your love is everlasting. 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 Everlasting, your love is everlasting.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Give it up for Sicilian Kiss, ladies and gentlemen. Does she have that vibe? Well, now it remains to be seen now, doesn't it?